A pocket compass can redirect an entire journey. 5 words can keep $2,340 this year. Skip two $22 extras each week, and you save about $2,288 a year. Not hype. Direction. This is Wealth Mentor Pro, where every lesson is a step closer to your freedom. If a sentence can bend a year, imagine what it does to your stress. Normalize. It's not in my budget. Normalize this line across restaurants, shopping, and events. Calm voice. Steady course. Watch what shifts. Arc 1 opens in a grocery aisle. Bright end caps flash like detour signs. The cart drifts. Navigation, then action. We set a lane line. Example. Write 3 must-buys on your list: rice, eggs, greens. Everything else parks in the cart's front corner, the holding bay. Before checkout, review the bay. Ask, does this guide me home? Micro step. Set a $15 cap on unplanned items. If the bay crosses it, items go back. The lane holds. You pass a premium olive oil, $19. You already have half a bottle at home. The label whispers, elevate your meal. Your compass whispers something simpler. It's not in my budget. The cart keeps rolling. Quiet win. Arc 2 starts on your phone. A free trial ticks down. Day 7 rolls to day 8. The price sneaks in like fog. Signal, then fix. We clear the channel. Example. Create a trial exit calendar. Sunday nights at 7. Name each trial and its price. If you didn't use it twice this week, cancel on the spot. Micro step. Keep one streaming service at a time. Rotate monthly. Annual savings often top $300 without losing any stories. A bundle tempts you for $39.99. You watch one show. That's a $40 show. You shake your head, smile, and say the line. The fog thins. Arc 3 walks through a cafe. The barista offers a pastry for just $3 more. The case glows like a lighthouse. You almost beach the budget. Course, then correction. Example. Pre-decide a cafe rule. Drink only, no food. Load $6 on a prepaid card every Monday. When the card is empty, sit with water and conversation. Micro step. Rehearse the sentence quietly as you join the line. It's not in my budget today. The words come out warm, not sharp. You taste the relief. Still in the moment, still included. No sugar crash, no bill sting. This is what alignment feels like. Arc 4 opens at the office. A coworker plans a rooftop mixer. Cover charge $20, drinks extra. The group chat buzzes. You feel that old tug. Map, then route. Example, reply early. I'm in for the catch-up, but the rooftop isn't in my budget. Join me for a sunset walk and tacos after? Micro step. Keep 3 low-cost defaults ready. Park walk, home movie night, library workshop. Lead with invitation, not apology. People follow confident plans. 2 curiosity loops close by now. First, do friends leave? Not the right ones. They adjust when we set the course. Second, does joy shrink? Number. It gets clearer. Joy isn't a receipt. Joy is attention. Arc 5 lives in a hardware store. A power sander gleams. $129 demands a new identity. You picture flawless shelves, compass, then checkpoint. Example, the 4 U's rule. If you'll use a tool fewer than 4 times this year, rent it. $18 a day, return it with no clutter, no maintenance. Micro step, create a note titled Rent, Don't Buy. List tools and local rental rates. When the urge hits, consult the note, not the fantasy. You build the shelves on Saturday. Straight lines, low cost, high pride. The compass holds. Arc 6 sits at the gas station. Energy drinks glare at the register. 3 for $7. Your afternoon is already caffeinated by marketing. Signal test, then filter. Example, single sentence purpose check. What job will this do today? If the job is solve boredom, the purchase is a detour. Micro step, keep a $1 mint pack in the glove box. Freshness without the crash. You reach the destination funded and awake. Here's a family twist. A cousin invites you to a launch event. Wristbands, merch, parking. The night stacks costs in layers. You breathe. Rechart, then share. Example. I'm celebrating you and the launch party isn't in my budget. I'll record a shout-out video and send dinner tomorrow. Micro step. Set a monthly connection envelope. Pick a number. When it's empty, switch to creativity, not debt. Love does not require receipts. And now, the line again at the midpoint because this is the anchor. Normalize. It's not in my budget. Normalize this line across restaurants, shopping, and events. When spoken with warmth, it lands like a lighthouse, not a siren. Here's the twist most people miss. Boundaries don't make life smaller. Boundaries give shape to desire. Desire inside shape becomes progress. Act 3. 3 switches that feel natural on YouTube pace. No jargon, just moves. Switch 1. Set the destination before the menu. Benefit. Decisions shrink to fit your map. Example. Before a diner meetup, choose tea only, $4. The server offers a seasonal latte and a slice. You smile, tap your cup, and say, "It's not in my budget." You leave with the same conversation and $9 kept. Switch 2. The 24-hour anchor for non-essentials over $40. Benefit. Impulse fades. Fit stands out. Example. A wireless charger at $59. Snapshot it. Add it to a note titled 40 plus hold. If you still want it tomorrow and it replaces a broken item, proceed. If it solves nothing, you just saved $59 with one sleep. Switch 3. Budget invitations, not just purchases. Benefit. Fewer awkward declines, more aligned memories. Example, every Thursday night, preview the next 10 days. Choose one paid plan, one free plan, and one rain check. Send 2 invites first. Free Museum Day Sunday? Or board games at mine Friday? You steer the vibe before the expensive plan appears. A bonus move ties it together. The Waypoint Check. Benefit. You can course correct midweek without shame. Example. Open your spending log Wednesday night. Green dots for aligned buys, gray dots for neutral, red dots for drift. If you see 2 reds, you run a no-spend evening and cook a pantry bowl. Drift corrected, week saved. Let's talk digital traps. Algorithms sell urgency. We answer with ritual. Benefit, calm brain, calmer balance. Example, move all shopping apps to a folder named Decide Tomorrow. Turn off badges. Now, when the thumb wanders, the name itself reminds you of your anchor. Travel dream popping up. Keep it. But fund it like a navigator fuels a voyage. Benefit, hope with a date, not a maybe. Example, $25 transfers every Friday into Autumn Trip 2026. That's $100 most months, $1,200 a year plus any found money. The map gains a pinned city and a paid bed. Health upsell? The gym pitches a platinum tier. You love the eucalyptus towels. Benefit, get 90% of the feeling for 10% of the price. Example, keep your current plan. Buy a $10 day pass once a month for the spa. The compass stays steady while you still breathe that eucalyptus. Gifts? Make generosity part of the route, not a pothole. Benefit, giving from stability feels better. Example, automatic transfer on the first for your chosen cause. When a fundraiser link arrives, you already have a yes inside the numbers. What about work lunches? The team orders delivery again. Benefit, you keep connection and cut bloat. Example, set a Thursday treat tradition for yourself. Bring lunch Monday to Wednesday. Thursday, enjoy a $12 local spot. Friday, leftovers. 1 planned yes, 3 quiet wins. Return windows matter. They're exit ramps. Benefit: regret costs less. Example: place online buys on a hook by the door. The receipt sits in the box. Calendar a return sweep every other Saturday. If it didn't earn a spot, it goes back. Money returns to the map. People will test the boundary. A friend jokes, "Come on, you only live once." We breathe and choose our reply. Example: exactly. That's why I'm choosing well. The tone is kind. The compass points forward. The moment passes. Respect remains. Notice the body signals. Tight shoulders mean drift. A slow exhale means alignment. Each time you say the sentence, your nervous system learns safety. Safety is a financial skill. By now, small numbers stack. $7 here, $14 there, $32 once a week. Over a month, that's a utility bill. Over a quarter, that's an emergency cushion growing roots. The map feels real because you can trace it. Let's resolve the quiet tease from the start with one overlooked trick. Practice the line where stakes are tiny until it feels natural. Say it to your screen at checkout. Say it to a vending machine. Say it as you pass a kiosk. 10 light reps turn the phrase from tension to tone. Then, when it matters, a tasting menu, a boutique, a merch table, the sentence arrives gentle and firm. You stay on course. The shore stays in sight. Wealth rarely arrives with a parade. It arrives as a series of better directions. We pick a point on the horizon. We keep our words short and our map honest. When the world sells detours, we return to the compass. This is Wealth Mentor Pro. We chart calm money, one sentence at a time. For more calm guidance, subscribe and watch the video suggested next.